Hey, Jake with B&H. I just got done shooting a fun dance video using the SmallHD Focus 7, the new 7-inch LCD monitor, 1920 by 1080 resolution. It's the big brother of the original Focus 5. Let's talk about some of the highlights. Two NPF Sony batteries are hot swappable, which means if one runs out, you can easily swap out another one without losing power of your display. V-mount and gold mount batteries can also power the Focus 7 thanks to D-Tap to L-series adapters. Screen size is now 7 inches, which is my preferred on-camera monitor screen size. It gives me much more confidence in my framing, but more importantly, my focus. Even though it's 7 inches, this is a slim yet rugged lightweight monitor thanks to its impact-resistant plastic housing and aluminum bezel, which is why it's perfect to use in tandem with my gimbal rig for this dance video shoot. Q20 mounts can be found on the left, right, bottom, and the back, making it really flexible to mount anywhere around your camera body. With the optional SmallHD tilt arm, you can make fast monitor adjustments on the fly while shooting handheld or on a gimbal like we are doing today. Focus 7 has one full-size HDMI input that is slightly recessed to protect from any kind of detachment, which we all know can happen on set. Also note, there is no output. This is an input-only monitor. The LCD screen is a full HD 1920 by 1080 resolution with 1000 nit brightness. The monitor is crisp and sharp. It's a touchscreen, just like the previous Focus monitor, which means you can pinch to zoom, the perfect way to check your focus on your subject. Focus 7 also features the same OS 3 operating system found on all SmallHD monitors, with its famous and easy to use Pages template interface. At 13 ounces, the SmallHD Focus 7 is one of the lightest monitors on the market, and for that very reason, it was perfect for a mirrorless gimbal rig. Having a compact and rugged 7-inch monitor to check focus and exposure on a moving action shot is worth its weight in gold. Really enjoyed my experience shooting the SmallHD Focus 7. Having that monitor gave me confidence in all my shots, my exposure, my framing. I really enjoyed it. This is Jake with B&H. Just keep shooting.